Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Chrome and signing into your Google account so shortcuts persist. Once signed in, open a new tab to reveal the home page. Make sure you're on a regular new tab page, not an extension override. If you see an extension, disable it in Chrome//extensions. Now scan the existing shortcuts. Each tile shows a Cite and Edit icon. Click the three-dot menu on the page for settings if you need to change the new tab behavior before adding shortcuts. Now you'll add or edit shortcuts. Click Add Shortcut to create a new tile, or tap the pencil icon on an existing tile to modify it. You must type a clear name and the full URL, for example https://example.com, then hit Save. This ensures Chrome opens the right page. Once shortcuts exist, drag them to reorder. This organizes frequent sites visually. If a site auto-updates its icon, refresh the page. If the icon is wrong, edit and resave the shortcut to force an update. Finish by arranging and testing each shortcut. Click a tile to confirm it opens the intended site and make small name edits for clarity. Enable Chrome Sync so the same shortcuts appear on your other devices. Make sure Sync includes bookmarks and settings. If a tile vanishes, sign out and sign back in, check Chrome//extensions for conflicts, and verify sync is active. If problems persist, clear cache for that site or recreate the shortcut. This usually resolves icon and loading errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.